This afternoon, we are leaving Limone behind and hopping on a ferry across Lake Garda to Malcesine. The fog hanging over the lake gives the journey a completely different feel as we head towards one of the most picturesque towns on the northern shore. We are in Malcesine. Today we are exploring two very different sides of northern Lake Garda. Malcesine is all about wandering through charming alleyways, discovering hidden corners, and soaking up the atmosphere along the waterfront. Later, we will catch a local bus to Torbole to finish off our day exploring the northern end of the lake. Castle is closed, I'm afraid, like most of the attractions here around Lake Garda, unfortunately. One of the most popular attractions in Malcesine is the cable car to Montebaldo, often called the balcony of Lake Garda, because of its incredible panoramic views. The cable car takes visitors from the town up into the mountains, offering breathtaking views of both Lake Garda and the surrounding peaks. It's especially famous for its rotating cabins, which give passengers a full 360-degree view during the ride. During our visit in March, the cable car was still closed while pre-season testing was taking place. We didn't have chance to return after it reopened, so it's definitely something to look forward to on a future trip to Malcesine. Saying goodbye to Malcesine, and we are going, taking another bus, and we are going to Torbole. Have any of you been up to Monte Baldo? Let me know if it's worth coming back for. But for now, let's continue exploring Torbole. A few kilometers north, Torbole has a completely different energy. Known for its constant winds and dramatic mountain backdrop, it's a place where sailing, windsurfing, and outdoor adventure take center stage. We are waiting for the bus to back to Garda, and we're taking 484. It will depart 21 past 5.
Supposed to be a few minutes.
Supposed to be already here 2 minutes ago, but we are waiting. See you in Garda. As we made our way from Torbole to Garda, we were treated to the most beautiful sunset colors over Lake Garda, a perfect way to end the day before our overnight stay in Garda. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to check out the videos that will appear on your screen and subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure in Garda and Bardolino, our final vlog from Lake Garda. Take care.